Hello viewers, how are you today? I'm gonna show you how you can remove the scars on the image and you can improve the quality of your image. First of all, select your image, open the file. As you can see in this image, there are a lot of the scars on the face. So today we are gonna remove all these scars. I will show you how you can do this step by step. First of all, select the area that you're gonna work on. Either you can directly select the subject by hitting the subject, it will automatically select your image, or you can use the quick selection tool in this one. You can add your area of selection. Also, you can remove the area that you don't want to select. Now, make a little bit. Okay, now after this, we're gonna apply a mask. Hit smart radius, increase the radius to refine the edges. This is the refine edge tool to improve the edges of the selection. As you can see here, by increasing or decreasing the radius, this is refining the edges. And then you have to select the output to new layer with layer mask. Hit OK. Now in this one, select image, go to filter and then blur, then hit surface blur. Now increase the radius of your image, and then as you can see, by increasing the blur you can improve the quality of your image. Make the threshold to 22 and hit OK. Now as you can see the difference of the blur, and before and after you can see the difference. Now to remove the scars, just select the spot healing brush tool. You can adjust the size of the brush. Make sure the content aware option is selected, and now you can see these scars have been removed from the image. To give it a more natural look, just select, as you can see, the scars before and after. Now to give it a more natural look, go to filter, select noise, add noise, make sure the Gaussian is selected and the monochromatic. Now increase the amount to give it a more natural look. Select 2.96%. Hit OK. So here you can see the difference before and after. Now this is the quality. So by following these simple steps, you can remove the scars and improve the quality of your scan of the image. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please hit subscribe button, and for more videos, subscribe my channel. If you like the video, please like and comment on my video.